What's up, everybody? So I got some Coca-Cola Matchbox Real Rider trucks, whole set of 6. Nice set. $2 a piece. I think you guys all know how much these cost, so I got a good deal. And I have an uncle that's been a Hot Wheel guy for years, and he sells Hot Wheels, and every once in a while he gets a box out, and it's got just really cool stuff in it. This was one thing. Mint unpunched teetotaler black one in the mint in the card. Real Rider Baja Bug. Unpunched. And then these, man, I just don't know about these. I've seen a couple on Toy Peddler. But these are really bad. Leo Spider-Man GMC motorhome. I don't know much about these. I've got a neat street or two on a short card that I got from them. I've got the yellow one too. Saw these on Toy Peddler, and the yellow one was like $140 they wanted for it. I mean, nobody was buying it, but it was a lot more than the red one. But I think they're pretty cool. I like oddball stuff like that, so. Anyway, well, let me know what you guys think about these Leo things. I know Jeremy, you've been scoring some of these, so these might be kind of interesting to you. And as always, I love Real Riders. So, see ya.